There are few voices more recognizable than the sultry crooning of Tony Bennett. Today's Suncoast favorite, Johnny Russo, pays tribute to him in our Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, Johnny.
You must remember this. A kiss is still a kiss. A sigh is just a sigh. The fundamental things apply as time goes by. And when two lovers woo, they still say I love you. On that you can rely. The world will always welcome lovers as time goes by. Moonlight love songs never out of date. Hearts full of passion, jealousy and hate. Woman needs man and man must have his mate. That no one can deny. It's still the same old story, a fight for love and glory, a case of do or die. No matter what the future brings, as time goes by. Moonlight love songs never out of date. Hearts full of passion, jealousy and hate. Woman needs man and man must have his mate. That no one can deny. It's still the same old story, a fight for love and glory, a case of do or die. The world will always welcome lovers as time goes by.
Hearing your voice just makes me want to melt.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good night.
No, that wasn't him.
And we hear you've been nominated for a wonderful award.
Isn't that incredible?
It is.
Unsolicited.
It is. Yeah.
Tell us about it.
It's unsolicited.
Tell us about it.
Creative loafing, the best vocalist on the Suncoast.
Wow.
I hope so. I can only hope. It's an honor just to be nominated.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
That's
much.
awesome.
Thank you.
And we know you.
Yes, and I know you too.
Well, and we know we can always find you at the Starlight Room. How long have you been performing there?
114 consecutive weeks.
Wow. That's amazing.
It's incredible. It's incredible. It was a gift just to get in there. And now to be there, I'm a fixture. It's wonderful.
It is wonderful.
And you can hear more from Johnny at Chianti's Restaurant on August 23rd. Next, Bookstore One has indie book picks for us. But first, let's hear more from Johnny.
Croon to us.
I'm going to do my
Okay.
best. I'm going to do my best. Oh, this one. I know this one.
Oh, good. Because I don't.
Me too, but I'm not going to sing it.
Oh, come on. The loveliness of Paris seems somehow sadly gay. The glory that was Rome is of another day.